Yes, I'm ready, boy.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yay! Just like a Superman.
Feel the rush, adrenaline running through us. Feel the rush underground.
My name is Azim and I'm all the way from Lahore, Pakistan. Just came in here for this amazing zip line.
And how are you?
I'm good.
So have you done this before or first time?
Yeah, it's my first time. I haven't done it before. It's my first experience.
How do you feel?
Yeah, I'm feeling very excited, very loving, and I'm just feeling very high, so above on the sky. I'm loving it.
So you're ready to go now?
Yes, I'm ready to go.
Enjoy!
Yay! Ready? I'm very much ready.
I stand tall, no camp ball. You pussy ass nigga can't trick.
On that?
Yeah, bend your knees to the table.
I'm in my zone.
Pull that down.
Yeah, boy!
Slipping, but you can't let go.
How was it, sir?
Yeah, it was too amazing and too lovely.
Okay.
I just loved it.
Huh?
I just loved it.
Okay.
It's very amazing.
Thank you, sir.
Now it's on and cracking, snap, like you're hypnotized. Recognize you can't disguise. Emotion flows up your eyes.